Hello, everybody. So it is Sonia again coming to you live in today's video. Unfortunately, I have to talk about my failure. I usually don't talk about my failures. I don't know, it's hard to talk about when you fail because you say you're going to do something, but then you fail to do so, and so it's hard to be vulnerable at that. So, anyways, I wanted to talk about my failure, and I wanted to be just failure. I wanted to be just vulnerable with you guys and share why I say that I failed. Well, my goal today was to upload a video or to shoot a video and upload it sometime later today. So that is the one area that I failed in today. I did upload one, I think like few hours ago, which counts for today's video. But every day I'm supposed to shoot a video, and so today I did not. But as the title says, I failed, or maybe I did not. The reason I say maybe I did not because it's not that I slack off and I did not create a video, I did not shoot a video because I was lazy or whatever, but I was in the middle of going through some of my personal growth modules as well as my online uh, business course thing. But I was just going through all those as I was advised by my mentor to go through a certain module today. And I'm really, really glad that I actually did go through it because it has given me so much ideas on how to put together more content and that can be more valuable content so that I can present it to you guys. So although I have failed in shooting the video that I wanted to shoot, but another reason that I believe that I have not failed too, because I did go live on Facebook and I did share the 5 points that I wanted to share and I wanted to shoot and kind of share it in details and upload it to YouTube. But so if you want to go ahead and head to Facebook and watch that live stream that I did earlier, it's gonna be kind of the same, but it's gonna look more presentable and more professional when I shoot it and then upload it to YouTube. But anyways, so that's also one of the reasons that I really think that I did not. Although I did not accomplish that one goal because I'm strictly I have this time, I block out certain amount of time just to do these things so that I'm more focused. The time I've ran out of time, and so I'm gonna have to shoot the video later on. But then, of course, I failed in that area. But because I promised and I said that I would go either live or upload videos daily. So now I am here presenting this, kind of telling you and sharing why I would think that I failed, but maybe I did not, or no, I did not. So, anyways, I hope that if you want to see the what I was about to share or what I wanted to shoot today, you can go ahead and head over to my Facebook page. I will leave the link to my Facebook page or just the name to my Facebook page in the description below. So I'm gonna do that right after. But so yeah, so thank you so much. Um, the I guess the point that I'm trying to get through in this video is embrace your failure, be vulnerable. Um, we're all still human, so there are times that we fail, but we must remember to never give up and get back up and keep moving forward. And so that's what I wanted to jump on here and share. So just to make sure that I did not skip a day of my either uploading videos or coming on here live. So I hope that you found valuable in this video. Remember, we're all still human, so be vulnerable. Don't be afraid to fail. Failure is a step to success. So as always, my friends, follow your heart, take action. Let's go live the life we're truly born to live. have a good day. Now I have to actually learn how to stop this because I have no idea. Okay.